beauty's description. You look so good that it hurts. You're a dime, plus 99, and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they start to say, cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes, out of control. Baby, you know. Baby, you never worry about what I do. I'll be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. Like a woman deserves good things. It's for the down, the head for the rain. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you all. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Oh, baby, good love and protection. Oh, make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should me. You deserve better. You know you deserve better. You should be together, baby. Me and you is forever, girl. Hey, so can we make this thing ours? You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give. Oh, everything you need.
Good morning. I don't know who is watching right now, but I'm just making some breakfast and thought let me go live. Hi. Hello. So I'm going to make me one of the simplest breakfasts that I've always loved, and it's just fried egg with a middle soft and bread.
If no one gets around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Better say my name. Other day I will call you, say baby how's your day? But today it ain't the same. Every other word is you okay? Could it be that you are the crib with another lady? Why don't you say the thing that you said to me yesterday?
Thank you. Thank you, Tahir.
Tell the truth, when you win, how would you like it if I came over with my clip? Don't try to change it now. See you, gotta bounce from 2 seconds ago. So you just got in the house. It's hard to believe that you coming home by yourself. When I just heard the voice, said the voice of someone else. Get this question right, you gotta lie.
And I'm just making myself some breakfast. I'm going to do some housework. Damien, hello. Gonna make myself some runny eggs. Uh-oh, the yolk bread. Calling me baby. Let's change it. Something about the way she can be it. I'm not going good. Something about her. Something about that woman wants you. Wagwan BM. Can't figure it out. Something about her. Cause she walk like a boss, talk like a boss, make your nails or something better to wrong. She's fine effortlessly. And she move like a boss, do what a boss do. She doesn't think about getting involved. That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. I'm alright this morning. My egg yolk bread, and I like my running yolk. Be like frying another egg just to get the running yolk. You have to find your own joy in life. You have to find a way to be happy even when you're not. Fried egg.
She said she got no time. Something about her. And she work like a boss, play like a boss. Already she got the bacon ball. And bills to pay them time.
I need to set a life goal.
She made for a boss, only boss. Everything that she comes to get lost. That's the girl that's on my mind. She got her own thing. That's why I love her.
You like my glasses? Thank you.
That's why I love her. It's independent. Ooh, the way we shine. It's independent. Cause everything's great, don't worry, I got it. Everything she got, best believe she bought it. She gon' steal my heart, ain't no doubt about it. Yeah, you're everything I need. So you're everything I need.
England. Oh, thank you. Wow. I'm in Kent. Thank you. Have breakfast with me. Should I come live more often? Oh, I'm getting a row of hearts. Thank you.
Will always have your heart. You never see it coming, cause you're blinded from the sun. So that's your that one.
I am live, Avon. Hey.
You gotta rock away this. Come on. See, I don't know about y'all, but I know about us. It's the only thing. I don't know about y'all, but I know.
So I said I was gonna go live yesterday on TikTok. I told myself I'm gonna do one YouTube live and one TikTok live yesterday, and I didn't bother going live on TikTok. So I'm home this morning, so I thought let me go live doing breakfast. I like to go live on TikTok when I'm in my kitchen, so people have something to look at. I'm doing something, either I'm washing the dishes or I'm making something to eat, because otherwise I don't know what to talk about. And the good thing with TikTok, you can play music. So that's what I like about TikTok. But I'm shy to go live on TikTok because people are rude on TikTok. People are very rude. But then again, too, some people are not rude. Because so far this morning, it's been alright. And I'm not sure who. Sometimes people want to join your live and you just don't know who to accept because some people are just unnecessary. But I'm making an egg sandwich. My favorite breakfast of all time from I was a child. But I'm going to toast the bread slightly because I keep my bread in the fridge. And it's cold, so I don't want cold bread. Alright, Avon. So, I don't want cold bread, and I keep my bread in the fridge. Oh, don't. I keep my bread in the fridge because I don't eat a lot of bread, and sometimes the bread start going off quick. So I just keep it in the fridge to keep it fresher for longer. So right now I got cold bread that I don't want. Oh. Yes, for real. Let's do that. That's a good idea. It's so good when you know somebody on here, so you can play with the same people. So you're not playing with strange people. Let's do that. Let's make it a date later today. That would be great. That's so much better when you know who you're playing with. I don't want my bread very brown. I just want it warm. And let me get some butter as well. Now watch me eat my sandwich, my breakfast. I don't want no cheese. I don't want no ham. I've got those things in the fridge, but I just want an authentic egg sandwich. That's what I felt for this morning. Just with a little bit of butter. The only thing is my egg yolk break. I ain't gonna have no runny yolk this morning, which I like. Near tune.
Be the finest thing I ever seen. Oh no, she got a man in the sun though. Oh, but that's okay, cause I wait for my cue and just listen play my position like a show star. Pick up everything on me and in no time. I better make this with him now. And that's for sure, cause I've never been the type to break up a happy home. But it's something about baby girl, I just can't leave alone. Tell me, mom, what's it gonna be? She said, you don't know what you mean to me. I do. All I think about is you.
Bread stuff.
My boo, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when you get my boo.
What I might do is buy little ketchup. Thank you. I need to set another life goal. Well, it's not done yet, but thank you for contributing to my life goal. Kept it simple. I need to start going live more over here, so just getting used to it, really. And another thing I like with my egg is ketchup. So I'm going to put a little bit of tomato ketchup. Make sure it's not running. I just saw a video on Instagram. One man in Jamaica make bread with Lasco and ketchup. Thank you. Thank you for contributing to my life goal of only 20 roses. Oh, Great stuff. Thank you. Who was that? Thank you, Cable Able, for the roses. Much appreciated. Wow, this is a positive morning. This is telling me to come live more often, guys. Thanks. Hi, Shab. Good morning. Who's Shabs? This is telling me that I need to do more live because I got some roses contribution. I think I need to go in the dining room so I can sit and chat properly. I'm gonna balance. Oh, to come back for the tea. To come back for the tea. I got the music and the devices. I'm okay. Just home this morning. I've got a YouTube channel as well with the same name. No, not Trisha Birch, Petro.Trisha. And I went live yesterday. I said I was going to go live on YouTube and TikTok. I didn't go live on TikTok, so I thought, why not do it now while I'm making and having breakfast? As I'm home alone, you know, when you are a single parent, you get quite lonely. You get quite lonely in the house by yourself. So social media becomes your best friend. Okay, let's eat. Let's pray first. And I'm gonna hear my pray though. Turn that down a little bit. Don't know if you can hear me over the music really. So just turn that down. My cup says make every day amazing. And I love this cup. I like cups with special words on them, daily affirmations. And I need to get some more. I think I bought one the other day and I reached it. I bought one on Etsy the other day, you know. I just remember it hasn't come yet. So I'm drinking just normal English tea with no sugar. I don't wanna give you mine at home. I wanna meet you nowhere, no. No one of your time. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Taking out the passenger side of his best friend's time. Scrubs can become real men too, you know. Eventually. I didn't bring a napkin. I get a napkin so I'm not being nasty and not wiping my fingers on my mouth. Because I'm eating with my hands, because I'm eating an egg sandwich. What's up? What's that thing if I was eating the egg sandwich with knife and fork? Should I eat with knife and fork because I'm on TikTok? Because I'm on live? Eat my egg sandwich with knife and fork. That would be funny. People might want to see that. Pretend I don't know better. Should I match? I'm gonna try and match in a minute when I finish this. I'm gonna try and match. I don't normally like matching. I don't like matching. I don't like it. Because you get too many weird, rude people. I'm gonna do one just for fun. Filter you nice, see? This filter so nice, wow. I'm not actually this beautiful, guys. I'm not this pretty. If you want to match, start. I don't really know how to use TikTok. I might press the wrong thing, but I'll try. I did just put it on a 10 minutes pause because I'm scared to match. Let's set another live goal. Alright, so let's do finger hearts because they're not expensive. Let's do 20 finger hearts. Alright, let's see who this is. Hello?
Hello.
I've only got one person watching. Please tap my screen. Let me turn it.
Galing ako dito sa doon.
This tap is free. Tap, 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 tap.
May hana. May hana.
Tap, tap, tap.
Ah, tunay.
Nobody tap. All of my followers are sleeping. Nobody playing.
Ah, ano sila? Siya ba siya ito ulit? Game to win.
Thank you. Thanks.
Sala ko niya.
Tap, tap.
Sala ko rin. Gisulak siya eh. Puto ka pala eh.
Just need to understand, 'cause if I got back, then I'll be here, baby, you're the best part of my day.
Egg and bread. Simple as.
If you wanna go and take a ride with me, we really need to go with the go-see. So why do I live this way? If you wanna go and get high with me, smoke a L in the back of the Benzie. Oh, I stop feeling this way. In the club on the late night, when you're out, we can try to spot some real nice. Looking for a little shorty, I know they sorted I can take home. She can be 18 with an attitude of 19, kinda snotty, acting real rude. So as long as you a diggy, girl, you know what it's on. You know what it's on. Something called a trophy on the dance floor. Sexy and real sexy, she was keeping it. I did the last video, so we let it do it though. How could I tell her no? Measurements 36, 25, 34. I like the way you brush your hair. I like those stylish clothes you wear. I like the way the light hit the ice and glare. I can see you from way over there. If you wanna go and take a ride with me, we really need to go with the go-see. So why do I live this way? If you wanna go and get high with me, smoke a L in the back of the Benzie. Oh, I stop feeling this way. Hey, somebody front that, don't know how to act. Without the vouchers on the boots, bringing nothing back. This should be the impact. Shopping with blast, with the sky's the limit, and the haters can't get past that. Watch me as a gas that. Got 6 ways, don't think anything change. Every time I switch lanes, it feels strange now. Making a living on my brain instead of pain now. I got the title from my mama, keep it looking on name now. Damn shit to change now. Running credit check with no shame now. I feel the pain, I can't complain no more shit. I'm the main now. In and out my own time. Niggas out of New Jersey, 40 feet, telling me about a party up in NYC. Can I make it damn right? I'll be on the next flight, baby. First class, sitting next to Pat and White. Come on. If you wanna go and take a ride with me, we really need to go with the go-see. So ride this way. If you wanna go and get high with me, smoke a L in the back of the Benzie. Oh my, stop feeling this. You love me. Unconditionally. Say you never leave me. No matter what. I'll have a condition. Everything that I've been through is all bad. I got a chick on the side of the crib and a ride. Telling me so many lies ain't none good, it's all bad. I trust, making best it's been going on so long. I've been doing it so wrong. And I want you to know that everything that I've been through is all bad. I got a chick on the side of the crib and a ride. Telling you so many lies ain't none good, it's all bad. And I trust, making best it's been going on so long. I've been doing it so wrong. And I want you to know that every time I was in love, I was with my ex-girlfriend. Every time you called, I told you, baby, I was.
Good morning.
I was out with my day. I'm thinking about you in her eyes. Hitting in the devil is in. I'm like, man, not giving a damn who sees me. So gone, so wrong. I feel like I didn't get it at home. Thinking about me, being a good girl that you are. I want you probably believe you got a regret. I'm in the number with 2 good things. I'm about to tell you I've done.
Thank you.
But it would be even worse if you heard this from somebody else. Everything that I've been through is all bad. I got a chick on the side of the crib and a ride. Telling you so many lies. Look, I gotta tell you. I know, but it's just some things I gotta get off my chest. Sit down, let's talk. I don't like to say, so I guess I'll start by saying that I love you, but you know this thing ain't been no walk in the park for us. I swear it only take a minute. You understand?
Oops.
When I finish, yeah, and I don't wanna see you cry, but I don't wanna be the one to tell you a lie. So how do you let go when you just don't know what's on the other side of the door when you walking out? Talk about everything I tried to remember to say, just went down my head. So I'ma do the best I can to get you to understand. Cause I never right time to say goodbye, but I gotta make a first move, cause if I don't, you're gonna start hating me. Cause I really don't feel the way I once felt about you. Girl, it's not you, it's me now, and I gotta figure out what I need. Oh, there's never a right time to say goodbye, but we know that we gotta go our separate ways. I know it's hard, but I do it. I'm still me, cause it's never a right time to say goodbye. Now the heart is breaking, and 1,000 times I found myself asking why am I taking so long to say this? But trust me, girl, I never meant to crush your world, and I never thought I would see the day we grow apart. And I wanna know, how do you let go when you just don't know what's on the other side of the door when you walking out? Talk about, girl, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. We just can't go on pretending that we get along. Girl, how you not gonna see it? Oh, it's never a right time to say goodbye, but I got the first move, cause if I don't, you're gonna start hating me. Cause I really don't feel the way I once felt about you. Girl, it's not you, it's me, and I gotta figure out what I need. Oh, there's never a right time to say goodbye.
Listen music with me. Should I dance?
Some people live for the fortune. Some people live just for the fame. Some people live for the power, yeah. Some people live just to play the game. Some people think that the physical things define.
Thank you for the hearts. Thank you for the likes.
And I've been here before. That life's a ball, so full of the superficial. Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, some just want everything, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you. Yeah. Some people search for.
Thank you for passing through and for tapping.
Forever young. Some people need the dozen roses, and that's the only way to prove you love them. And you're on a silver platter, and what would it be? No one to share, with no one who truly cares for me. Some people want it all, but I don't want it at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got it, you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, some just want everything, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you. Some people want it all, I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, some just want everything, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you. If I ain't got you with me, baby. Oh, ooh, so nothing in the whole world don't mean a thing. If I ain't got you with me.
Hello.
Andy.
How you doing? I don't know if there's anyone gonna come on my live, but okay. I'm just chilling, seeing what's going on. How are you?
Fine.
Okay. I think most of my viewers are sleeping. Because a lot of my followers are in America and Jamaica.
I realized that she don't know how to act. But when I don't do no, I'm not dense. I just had a slight lack of common sense. I was the good guy, she was the bad girl. I'm the one girl, she making me Earl James and Jimmy. Yeah, she had plenty, but love for me she didn't have any. I was inviting her into my home, but she was out riding some other man's car. She was my lifetime, thought I was a star. Yes, I was wrong, but see I'm strong. Won't take long for me to move on. Oh, please don't worry about me, I'm fine. Please don't worry about me, I'm fine. Only gonna play the fool one time. Only gonna play the fool one time. Trust me when I say that I'll be okay. Go on, girl. Go on, girl. Go on, girl. I can't get back, but I don't want it back. I realized that she don't know how to act. Try to settle down and look what I get. Thought it was my time, but I guess not yet. She at the bar hitting drinks.
Oh, my phone rings.
Hello.
Honey, what you doing?
What's up?